Are you able to see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we were discussing about we were discussing about free fall. You have created class, it seems. They were into your class and they did not create it. When? That is the problem actually. Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am, no issues. Okay, so we were discussing about free fall yesterday, and I was just telling you that you went top of the terrace, okay, and you took a ball and you drop it from the top of the terrace. Okay, now the body is freely falling body. The body is freely falling body. So we were discussing about what is its velocity and acceleration. We were discussing about what its velocity and acceleration. So now you tell me how to do with the velocity and acceleration, whether velocity will be increasing or decreasing, or it is constant, and whether the acceleration is increasing or decreasing, how the acceleration will be. Okay. So this actually, so till here, the journey will be one part, and from here to here, the journey will be one part. So in the second part of journey, the acceleration will be
Increased.
huh?
Increased, ma'am.
Increased. Why? The
Ma'am,
acceleration will be increased.
because
Why?
when the object comes to Earth, the gravitational force will be more, ma'am, at the near to the Earth.
So when it is coming towards the Earth, so it is having Earth's gravitational force. Okay, there is a gravitational force which is dragging that particular object into downwards direction. Okay, so as it is pulling the object down, Earth is pulling the object in downwards direction. Because of that force and because of that pull, the acceleration of an object will increase. So for a freely falling body, the acceleration will be increased. As it is coming down, the acceleration will increase. Okay, so this kind of acceleration, the acceleration where it is increased because of the gravitational force, we call this kind of acceleration as acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. Is it clear, children? We call it as acceleration due to gravity. Okay, and this acceleration due to gravity is denoted by letter G. We denote acceleration due to gravity by a letter called as G. Okay, and the units for this G is meters per second square. What are the units for acceleration? In the fourth lesson, we have studied about acceleration, isn't it? All are sleeping in the class? Children, are you there or not? So in the fourth lesson, we have studied about acceleration.
Yes, ma'am.
What is acceleration? In the fourth chapter, we have studied about acceleration. What is acceleration there? Srijan, respond. Srijan.
Ma'am, acceleration means increasing of speed, ma'am.
So the rate of change of
Velocity.
rate of change of velocity is called as
Acceleration.
acceleration. It is denoted
Meters per
by
second square, ma'am.
meters per second.
Second square.
So meters per second square, isn't it? So here also we have the rate of change of velocity, but due to gravitational
Gravity.
force or due to gravity. So this acceleration we will call it as acceleration due to gravity. And we will denote it by letter G, small g, and the units are meters per second minus
Meters
second
per
square,
second.
but we have to mention minus. Okay. So now what is the in the fourth chapter, we have studied is like F is equal to
MA.
Mass into acceleration.
Mass into
into
acceleration.
acceleration. So here F is equal to m
Mass into gravity.
g. Okay, G is
Gravitational force.
G is also acceleration, but it is acceleration due to gravity. Okay, in the fourth chapter we have studied about acceleration. It is normal acceleration which is caused, but here in the gravitational lesson we are studying about acceleration due to gravity. So hence we were denoting it as small g. Okay, we are representing with a letter small g. So here F is equal to mg. Okay, did you understand how F is equal to mg?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please wait. So now we have a equation called as F is equal to mg. In the place of A, we wrote G. G is also acceleration, but it is gravitation lesson we were dealing with. Hence, I wrote it as acceleration due to gravity. Okay. And in the previous equations, we have got F value. What is the F value, children? In yesterday's class, we have got F value. What is the F value we got?
Yes, ma'am. F is equals to G. F is equals to G m into m by d square.
So this is yesterday's equation which we got, right? So now this F value,
yes, ma'am,
will be represented here. Okay. Then how can we write this?
mg is equals to G.
Equal to F value is G m into m by d square.
By d square.
Okay. So this on other way also I can write, like how? If I cancel m and m, then
G is equals to
G m by
G m by d square.
Did you understand? Children, are you understanding these all equations?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts you have?
Ma'am, Vishnu is asking to admit him, ma'am.
Vishnu?
Yes, ma'am.
D square.
I'm admitting, right? Again, they are disconnecting. They will not understand these equations if they disconnect themselves. See, we will start up with all the equations once again. F is equal to ma. This can be written like F is equal to
mg.
G. Why G? What is G?
G is also acceleration, but due to gravity, ma'am.
It is also acceleration, but G is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. Still they are entering. Okay, so F is equal to mg. So what is the F value here? We have yesterday in the equation I told F value. We have calculated F value. F is equal to G.
F is equal to m into m by D
M
square.
into M by
So
D
this is
square.
the f value. So now I will
D square.
substitute the value. What is the f value is?
Mg is equals to G M into M by D
M
square.
by D square. Okay. So this is like two masses are involved. Okay. If I want to have an equation where only one mass is involved, then I have to cancel this. Then the equation will be G is equal
G
to
is equals to G into
D
M by D square.
M by
So
D
M
square.
by D square.
So D is distance. So in this chapter, we will consider distance as radius, because we will talk about Earth, we will talk about Moon, we will talk about planets. So we are talking about Earth's gravitational force. So Earth is a round sphere. Okay, so whenever we talk about distance,
Radius, ma'am.
we will consider it as radius. So radius is denoted by letter R.
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 Okay, radius is denoted by letter R. So here, if I take first equation and this is second equation, so mg is equal to g m into m by
R square.
r square. This is third equation, and fourth equation is g is equal to
GM by R
into M.
square.
m by
R square.
R
r
square.
square. So did you understand these four equations?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vidip respond. Vidip respond. Vidip. Vidip respond.
Ma'am, he will not hear you, ma'am, because he did not connected
Connected
to
to
his
audio
microphone.
device. So why they are not connecting to audio device?
Ma'am, so many are doing like that only, ma'am. They're
How
coming
they
to
will
class
understand?
and
This is
connecting
all
audio.
like, you know, if they do not attend to classes, this they will not understand. This will be like a Tamil movie for them. When they go home and when they directly open the textbook and when they want to learn by themselves, it's not that easy task. So why are they not attending to the classes? As teachers, we refer number of books and we will take the simplest methods to give you in a very simpler way and to make you understand in a very easy way. So if they attend to the classes, then only they will understand. Otherwise, it is very difficult for them to understand. Okay, now we at the last we have one equation called as this one. G is equal to Gm by r square. So this equation is used to calculate the value of G. What is G here? What is G here?
Acceleration due to gravity, ma'am.
Acceleration due to gravity. So let us calculate
Ma'am, small
the value.
g is for acceleration.
Small g is for
Small g is for
acceleration
acceleration due to
gravity, and capital G is for universal gravitational constant. Okay, capital G is,
yes, ma'am.
okay, we call capital G as universal gravitational constant and small g as acceleration due to gravity. Okay, once again I'm repeating, capital G we call it as universal gravitational constant and small g we call it as acceleration due to gravity. So please remember this. Okay, I'm erasing board.
Ma'am, in place of distance, if they give displacement, what we have to take, ma'am?
Displacement, they will not give displacement. Why they will give displacement here? They will give only G only they will give. Okay, either
No,
capital
ma'am, in
G they will give.
behalf of distance, ma'am.
Then you have to write displacement. Then you have to take, in case if they give displacement, you have to take only displacement, because it depends upon the questions also, like how they ask questions, what they ask questions. Okay, generally displacement related questions are very less actually in this chapter. You will be getting only related to calculation of capital G or small g or radius or force. These are the kinds of questions you will get. Anyways, when we do the sums now, if we get the questions related to displacement, then we will also, I will explain you in detail. Okay. So now, first of all, let us understand this. G is equal to, what is the formula we got? M
Capital
by
G M by
GM by R square.
R square.
by R square.
Okay. So here, G we call it as, you note it down in your running notes.
universal gravity of
Universal
Gravity constant.
gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant. What is the value of G, children? G value. In the previous class, I told 6.7
173
to the power of minus 11 n
6.67
nm
m square
square kg.
kg minus square.
Okay, so this is what? Okay, and what else it is there for us now? We have m. M is mass of the, okay, m is mass of the earth, denoted by capital M. Mass of the earth. Please note it down. The value of earth is 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. Okay, and then we have R. R is radius of the earth.
distance.
Radius of the earth. Radius of the earth. The value of radius of the earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6. Okay, 10 to the power of 6 m. Okay, so please note it down, all these things. And now, so in the formula, if you substitute the values, in the formula, 6.7 into 10 to the power of minus 11 n m square kg minus 2 into 6 into 10 24 kg, okay, by 6.4
6.4
into 10 to the power of 6 m whole square, okay, which is equal to, okay, 9.8 meters per second square. So now you can by heart this actually, because this is the value of acceleration due to gravity. In the sums, this value is important, 9.8 meters per second square minus second square. This value is important because this value is called as value of acceleration, due to gravity of the earth. G is equal to, okay, 9.8 meters per second minus square. Okay, this G is equal to 9.8 meters per second minus square is called as the value of acceleration due to gravity of the earth. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I have done nothing. I have simply substituted the values. Okay. I have substituted the values and we have solved this. Okay. When you solve it, you will get the answer 9.8 meters per second minus square. So this 9.8 meters per second minus square is called as acceleration due to value of acceleration due to gravity. Okay. This is one thing. So in the fourth lesson, we have studied about motion of objects. Okay. So when we have studied about motion of objects, we have got some equations of motions, isn't it? So we have studied some equations of motions. Everybody is clear with this concept?
Yes,
Anybody who
ma'am.
did not
Yes,
understand this
ma'am.
concept, please tell me. I am erasing the board. Children, everybody are okay with this concept?
Ma'am, we have to write this down in running notes, ma'am.
You have to write it down, otherwise you will not understand.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, to prepare notes
One
and
minute,
give,
ma'am.
it will take lot of time for me. I was not having any free time. Okay, so until I give notes, you have to follow only running notes because you are grown-up children. You have to write running notes. Notes is such a good habit. Okay, one time writing is equal to 100 times reading. So when you write one time, then it will make you to remember. Okay, so please note it down, everybody.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Abhinaya?
ma'am, ma'am, in every equation we can write mass of the earth 6.10 to the power of
Yeah,
24.
those
Ma'am,
are
it's
all
fixed value.
permanent values, fixed values, which you have to by heart it. There is nothing like how
Okay,
it
ma'am.
has come. It is simply that's it. You have to by heart it.
Okay, ma'am.
Mass of the
Okay.
earth. Mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. Radius is radius of the earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6 meters. Okay, and then gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant value is 6.7 into 10 to the power of minus 11 nm square kg minus 2 square. Okay, so this is what you need to by heart it.
Okay, ma'am.
And even this value of acceleration due to gravity of the earth, g is equal to 9.8 meters per second minus square, is also something which you need to by heart. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Note
1
down.
minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Please note it down fast. Please.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Okay. See now, equations of motion, did you remember, children, in the fourth lesson?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me equations of motion? What are the different equations of motions we have studied?
Ma'am, V is equals to UT, ma'am.
V is equal to
U plus 80,
Plus
ma'am.
80, ma'am.
U plus 80. How can I write here the same equation of motion? Okay, it is in fourth lesson. But this lesson, if I want to relate acceleration with acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so now this is fourth lesson acceleration. But if I want to use the same equation of motion in gravitational lesson, I will take acceleration as acceleration due to gravity. Then when I take acceleration as acceleration due to gravity, then how can I write this equation?
Ma'am, V is equals to U plus
U plus
GT.
GT.
V is equal to U plus
GT.
Okay, this is new equation, right? What is the second equation of motion?
S is equals to UT plus
U
half
plus
80 square.
UT plus half 80 square.
So if I want to write in the form of
In behalf of
acceleration due to
acceleration, we
gravity,
have to take G, ma'am.
G, ma'am. S is equals to UT plus half GT square.
UT plus half GT
Square.
square. New equation. What is the next equation of motion?
V square is equals to 2 plus GS.
V square is equal to U square
U square plus
2AS.
2K.
Okay, this I can write like V square is equal to U
U
square
square plus
plus
2GS.
2GS.
Yes.
Note it down. Okay, same. U is the where U is the initial. What we studied? Initial
Velocity.
velocities
Initial velocity is equal to final velocity.
and
Final velocity.
what is
V is
final
equals to
velocity?
V.
V is equal
V.
to final
Final velocity.
velocity and G is acceleration due to
Acceleration cost to
Gravity.
gravity.
gravitation.
Acceleration due to gravity. Gravitational constant is different. Acceleration due to gravity is different. And T is time. S is distance covered.
Speed. Distance. Distance covered.
Distance covered. Okay. So is it clear to you all now?
Yes, ma'am.
Please note it down. If you note it down, I will erase it. Everybody understood this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you noted down?
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody,
Ma'am, 1 minute.
please note it down.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Okay. So, okay. So next we have you know what is meant by weight, children? What is weight? What is weight?
ma'am. Something like mass, ma'am.
Something like mass? What is the difference between weight and mass? What is the difference between weight and mass?
Ma'am, can I say wait?
Yeah. Say weight.
Vector quantity is scalar quantity.
Ma'am, weight is the force exerted on the body
Okay.
by gravity.
Force exerted on body
By gravity.
due
Gravity.
to gravity. Good. Then what is mass?
Ma'am, mass is the total content of the body.
Ma'am,
How
mass
much is
is
there?
a
How much is it?
Mass is total quantity
Ma'am,
of
weight
the
means
body.
the
of
which
the
is present
body,
in our earth, ma'am.
and
Yes, ma'am.
it is constant. It is constant. Anywhere it is constant. Okay. And it does not change.